Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to bind a message to a key on your keyboard in Counter-Strike 2. First, when you're in the game, activate the console by pressing the tilde key on your keyboard. If nothing happens when you press it, you need to enable the console in your settings. Press escape, click on the gear menu icon, click on the game tab, scroll up, and make sure that the enable developer console is set to yes. Now in the console, type the following command. Bind your preferred key. Let's bind a chat to number 9. Put on an open quotation mark. Type say space your message. So for example, let's try hello world. And then end it with a close quotation mark. When the bind is successful, it will say interpreting bind command as bind scan code 38, say hello world, US English key, name 9. This command will make the number 9 key display your message in chat every time you press it. You can also use any key like Alt, Control, or any number or letter. So let's press 9. And you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen, on the chat box, I can now spam hello world. And basically that's it.